My name is Prajwal. I'm one of the co-founders at Orxa Energies. You are here at our facility in Bomsandra, and this is about our work with LionCircuits. We are into electric vehicle manufacturing, and we focus a lot on the development of performance electric vehicles. We have now been working with LionCircuits for more than 5 years, and it's been a really wonderful experience working with Murli and his team. We found out about LionCircuits about 5 years ago when we were actually looking for Indian manufacturers for our boards, for electronic boards which we design in-house. LionCircuits was at the beginning a very convenient option for us because we found them online, and they had this cool platform where you could actually place the orders online, and then you would get it delivered to office. And as a small startup with a very small team, this was very helpful. We started working with them slowly, one board at a time. One of the biggest projects we've done with them is to have them manufacture our battery management systems, which is completely developed and manufactured in-house and designed in-house. And LionCircuits has been our biggest partner in manufacturing these boards. We've manufactured thousands of boards with LionCircuits to deploy on our battery packs, which are running not only on our electric vehicles but on our advanced aerospace and defense systems as well. We've also worked on other kinds of boards with LionCircuits. They have been very helpful, not just in manufacturing of the boards themselves, but in assembly of various components, in identifying which components can be localized, as well as working with us on turnkey basis for many of our boards. In terms of working with the team itself, it's been really a journey. We've started with a lot of hand assemblies, a lot of semi-automated assemblies, to now we are now working with them on a fully automated manufacturing process. And throughout this, Murli and his team have been fabulous in recommending different approaches, different measures, and they have been really a very core partner for us in the indigenization and production of our boards, which are completely designed in India. So this has been a very, very exciting journey for us here at Orxa Energies, and we would love to keep working with LionCircuits in the future. So we've been working with LionCircuits on one of our biggest projects, which is our in-house designed and developed BMS. That's the battery management system, which is deployed in all our battery packs. These are used not only in our electric vehicles, but also in our aerospace and defense projects. We started off very small with LionCircuits, where the boards were being fabricated at LionCircuits and all the other components were sort of being provided by us. And we have slowly increased that engagement, or taken that engagement further, where LionCircuits has now started sourcing components as well as manufacturing the boards for us. We've then moved on to doing the assemblies at LionCircuits, so much so that we are now at a stage where we are doing fully automated assemblies as well as 100% functionality testing with LionCircuits so that we now get boards which are completely manufactured by them. And these boards have also been through different quality processes. All the boards have gone through EMI, EMC testing, they've gone through environmental testing, and these boards are now ready to be deployed in harsh environments and open environments such as automotive applications and aerospace applications. So this has been one of the very core projects where LionCircuits team, Murli and his team, have added an immense amount of value to us and have helped us make our dream of making made in India boards a reality. So this is a very important project for us, where working with LionCircuits and team has helped us achieve our objective of completely made in India boards. So we've been working with LionCircuits for more than 5 years now. It's been a very exciting journey for us, seeing all our prototypes, all our design boards being fabricated by our partners here, and we continue to develop new systems, and we hope to continue working with them and to growing with them while growing the ecosystem in India.